Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video ay tayo ay nandito na guys sa airport. Hi guys, so narito na tayo sa airport. See you soon Philippines. Yan, nakatikin na ako guys. Pupunta na ako doon sa may waiting area. So 9:40 pa yung aking flight sa gabi, madaling araw. So, bukas darating ako mga 5 to 6 p.m. So, diba? So, mayroon na naman tayong flight. Flight to Iloilo. Yan siya, guys. So, daming naghihintay dito, guys. Malayo yung gate na anahan namin, pupuntahan namin. Nasa P1. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, guys. So, dito tayo dadaan sa may para hindi na tayo ayan. So, diba? Tatayo na lang tayo. Parang nainitan ako, guys. Hindi na masyadong mainit. Malamig. So, lakad ng lakad. Guys. So, what's up guys? Later, mamaya na naman tayo doon sa may kabila. Ang tawag niyan, pag inaano mo masakit sa shoulder yung pag maganda yung may trolley kasi gugulong na lang siya. So, tingnan niya guys. Ang sabi? Seat number 1. What? 1. Hindi mo ganyan.
Malugod namin kayo binabati sa ating paglipad. Ang lipad na ito ay pinungunahan ni Kapitan Ruidera sa tulong ni Unang Michelle Bao. Tayo po ay nilipad ng mahigit kulang na 3 oras at 35 minuto. For the meantime, please direct your attention to your cabin crew. We have fan, mice, and steam who will now demonstrate the safety features of the aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. To fasten, push hands together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift toggle buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you, putting over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
Dito na tayo sa Philippines. Immigration.
Sira ulo rin ng mga
Yan, nagmamadali na sila. Oh, hingihi na raw.
bilang ihi talaga.
Guys, kukuha na tayo ng luggage. Nakalabas na ako ng immigration. So, on the way na tayo doon sa Conveyor para kukuha ng ating luggage. Nang bilisan, guys. So, medyo anong kagabi, medyo turbulence yung aeroplano kasi parang umuulan-ulan. So, hindi namang aga-agang. Yan. So, welcome back home. Ang bilis na ng panahon, guys. Yan. So, ay, hindi ko tayo sa hagdanan, guys. So, doon tayo may hagdan. Hi, guys. Good morning. Nandito na ako ngayon sa Manila Airport. So, talaranting lang namin, guys. So, nag-breakfast muna tayo kasi may pa-flight na naman ako. Mga 9 o'clock. Going to Iloilo. So, guys, nag-order ako ng cappuccino. And cup and go. And ito ay chicken crispy tuna. So yummy. Sarap, guys. Tuna. Crispy tuna bread sandwich. 57 isa. Ganito na lang, guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, tara din. Nandito na ako sa punta na tayo sa departure area. Punta ng Iloilo. Yan. So tapos na ako kumain, guys. Ayan. Okay. So pupunta na tayo sa taas. Ngayon, haba pang oras yung ating hihintayin. Jadi exit gate to. Ano po, guys, ano ng Cebu Pacific.
Ano?
Teka, ano ko muna yung aking ano. So guys, akit na tayo. Diba? Yeah. Ay, nako, guys. Okay, off we go. Aray ko. Yan, yung ano ng mga Cebu Pacific. Mga staff. So, dito na tayo sa departure area. So, dito guys, yan, kailangan natin magpakita ng ano dito. Sige, babalikan tayo. Hindi ito guys yung aking boarding time. Mamaya pa 9 something. So, dito pa naghihintay ng tawag. So, ito ang padaming tao dito sa domestic flight.
Final call for boarding for the departing Katiklan, Boracay, all guests on Cebu Pacific Air Flight 53899. Flight 53899 all for Katiklan, Boracay. Final call for boarding for the departing Iloilo, all guests on Cebu Pacific Air Flight 453. Final call for Miss Grace Nava.
Guys, boarding na papuntang Iloilo sa Cebu Pacific.
1,000 plus ano, 1,000.
Sa aeroplano na kami. Sasakay na kami aeroplano.
With emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exits may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft and an eventuality vest with airbags, and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
So dito guys, kukunin natin yung ating luggage. Biyahe tayo papuntang terminal. Ayan, punta na ako guys ng terminal going to Antique. Ayan, habang biyahe pa guys, so tatahakin natin mga 3 hours pa bago pa tayo makarating sa probinsya ng Antique. Ayan. So grabe guys, kanina paglabas ko ng airport, napakainit talaga. Diyos ko, nalibago ako sa panahon kasi lumabas ako mga almost 12 o'clock. So naku, talagang parang masusunog yung mga buhay ko. So yun guys, papunta na ako ng terminal. Yan, nag-commute lang ako kasi yun nga, wala konti lang naman dala ko. So magkano lang ang babayad ko sa commute. Yan, hatid ako dun sa isang lugar na terminal na papunta ng Antique. Ayan. So, another trip na naman, mga 3 hours na naman. Tapos, yan. Diba mamaya? So, dadaanan namin guys, yung mga bundok, parang nagsisigsag. So, napakainit talaga guys. Para akong mag-ano na yung, para akong matutuwa. Hindi ka ako kumain guys, kasi kanina doon sa pagbaba ko ng, doon sa Manila, yung kumain na ako ng almusal. So, lunch time, hindi na ako kumain ulit. Kasi mahirap magbiyahe na busog. Baka tayo yung sasabi ng motion sickness. Yan guys. So, ito guys, tingnan na lang tayo ng Yugo, ng part of Iloilo. Hindi ko na alam kung anong lugar ito guys. Yan. So, tingnan yung mga yung mga talampan, palayan yan guys. Puro dry na talaga kasi. Tingnan, oh my gosh, napakainit talaga guys. Ayan. So, thank you so much guys sa inyong suporta at saka I'll see you also sa mga vlog ninyo guys. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. And please don't. So, kagandahan lang guys, hindi matraffic. Yan. Kasi highway ito guys. Saka walang gaanong sasakyan ngayong araw na ito. Yan. So, napakainit talaga. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. And thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.